Hello, good morning everybody. How are you? Meet me again on Speak Channels. And this good opportunity, I would like to show you all about the conditions of my backyard. This is the backyard of my homes. There are so many trees and plants here. Durian, avocado, banana, papaya, and then mango, jackfruits, and so many kinds of plants planted here. So, in this good opportunity, we have to back to nature. We have to love our nature because I don't know what our lives looks like without any plants around us. Because plants, the air of our environments becomes pure, so we have to keep our environments, our plants, our nature as well as possible for the sake of our grandchildren's life. Okay, thank you so much for your attentions and see you later.